Hi there, this is a reminder that on the 15th of April, there's a meetup at the American History Museum. That's 12th and Constitution Avenue, 12th Street and Constitution Avenue Northwest. We're going to meet at 11:45 at the information desk at the Constitution Avenue entrance. And then we will meet one of the curators who will take us for a short tour. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and it'll be nice to meet everyone. Group of people in the DC area who are Pirsig enthusiasts. So I'm really looking forward to that. Please join us if you're in the area. That's 11:45, April 15th, which of course is the anniversary, the 50th anniversary of the publication date of Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance in 1974. So if you can meet us at that entrance, 11:45, we will meet the curator at 12, and he will take us to the exhibit. So hope to see you there. Thanks. And just so you can recognize me, I'll be wearing this t-shirt.